you often work with legacy drawings, you've probably noticed they're packed with repeated geometry. Every consultant seems to have drawn the same shape a dozen different ways. With smart blocks, AutoCAD uses AI to find those repeated shapes and suggests converting them into real blocks automatically. Just run Detect and Convert. Pick the suggestions you like, and just like that, you've got a cleaner, lighter file in seconds. You'll see better performance, quicker edits, and much tidier workspaces. Perfect for cleaning up messy drawings from others. It's still in tech preview, but Smart Blocks is already saving serious time. Think of it as your cleanup team, powered by AI.